Good morning, children. How are you all? Welcome to the maths class. In yesterday's class, we had discussed new topic, right? That is greater and smaller. Okay? To related that concept, we had some exercise. Okay, in our maths textbook. So let us do that. Okay, children. Let us once recap what is greater and what is smaller. I have already said you that greater, to decide greater or smaller, we want two numbers or two values or two things or more than two values, things or numbers, okay, to decide whether it is greater or smaller. We want more than two numbers or things or values, okay. So greater means more, smaller means less, right? Greater means what? More than we had. Smaller means less than we had. So from the, if we had, see children, for example, you have 5 pencils and your sister has 2 pencils. Okay, you and your sister is you holding 5 pencils and your sister is holding 2 pencils. Okay, so now you had to say that in which hand they are greater, means in which hand there are more pencils. That means in your hand only, right? Because you are holding 5 pencils, your sister is holding 2 pencils. So in your hand has more pencils. So to choose greater means, so the people choose you. Okay. See children, like that here we had small exercise. First observe what we have to do means in each pair. Identify the watermelon with more seeds. Color it red. See here watermelons are there, right? In each pair there are 2 watermelons and in this watermelons there are seeds, right? Seeds are there, right? Okay, in watermelon we can see seeds. So now what we have to do, we have to identify in which watermelon we had more seeds and then we have to color it with red. Okay, so from these two we have to compare which one is greater and which one is smaller. Okay, for the greater one or for the more seeds in which watermelon we had, so we had to color it with red. So why we use red means watermelon is in red color only, like red color only. So you all eat watermelon, right? It is very good for health. So watermelon is in red color. So here we have to color it with red. Okay children. So let us start. So now first all of you take pencil and red color crayon. Okay. So observe these two children. Okay. Here one watermelon slice is there and here another watermelon slice is there. So from these two slices we have to identify in which slice there are more seeds. So what we have to do, from these two slices of watermelon we have to identify in which slice there are more water seeds. Okay, first let us see the first one. So in the first watermelon slice we had 1, 2. 2 seeds. How many seeds we had? 2 seeds we had. Okay. Now see the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in the second slice we had 4 seeds. Okay children, see. So from these two, which one is which slice has more seeds? This one, because in this there are only 2 seeds. In this there are 4 seeds, right? So second one is the more seeds. Okay, so color second one with red color, children. Okay, with red color. Okay, children, like this color with red color. Okay, now see the second one. So here also same. Here also we had 2 slices of watermelons and we have to count how many seeds are there and we have to color it with red color into the slice which had more seeds. Okay, first let us count how many seeds are there in each slice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, in this there are 5 seeds, right? So now count the second one. 1, 2, 3. 3. In this 3 seeds are there. So which slice had more seeds, children? See, 5 is big number or 3 is big number? 5, right? 5 is the big number. Means 5 seeds are more than the 3 seeds. So this slice has more seeds comparing to the second slice. Okay. So now color this with red color, children. Okay. Completed. So like that you all do these 3. Okay. These 3. Okay. Like this you all do these 3. And let us see one more activity. Okay. Okay, now open page number 55. See, this is also what we have to do. Count the items and write the numbers in the space given. Here we had items, right? So we have to first count them. And here space is given to us. Boxes are allotted to us to write the numbers. Tick the set that shows the greater number in each pair. Now what we have to do? After counting the numbers or after writing the numbers in these boxes, then we have to compare the 2 numbers and we have to tick the greater number, means big number. Okay, see here one is done for us. See the first one. Here strawberries are there, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So in the first set there are 4 strawberries. So here they have written 4. And now see the second set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the second set we had 5 strawberries, right? Now children, what we have to do after the counting completed? We have to tick the greater number. That means big number, right? So say 4 is big number or 5 is big number? Or see children, 4 strawberries are more or 5 strawberries are more? Yes, 5 strawberries are more and 5 is the big number. So 5 is greater. So they had tick to the 5. Okay, like that we have to do. Okay, now let us see the second one. See here, 2 set of chicks are there, right? These are chicks, right? Chicks are there. Now let us count the chicks in each set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in the first set there are 5 chicks, right? So write 5 here. Okay. And now count the second set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So in the second set there are 6 chicks, right? So now what we have to do? We have to compare these 2 numbers and we have to take the greater number, that is big number. So now say children, 5 chicks are more or 6 chicks are more comparing with these 2. So 6 is more because here only 5 are there. Here 1 extra is there, means 6. 5 plus 1, 6. Here 6 chicks are there. So 6 is the greater. So 6 is the big number. So 6 is the greater number. So tick to the 6 children. Okay. So like that, do these 2 also. Okay children. So what we have to do, first count in each set how many items are there, and then write the numbers in the box and tick to the greater number. Okay, like this. Do these 2. So what is today's your homework? In page number 54, these 3 boxes, and in page number 55, these 2 boxes. Okay children. Okay, after completion of your homework, just send me the pics. Okay children, this is about today's maths class. Okay, we will do some more revision and some more exercise on the concept of smaller and greater in next classes. Okay children, all of you have a nice day. Bye.